Hi, today I'm going to show you, uh, when we are working with Microsoft Word documents, sometimes we can't reduce the picture sizes inside the Word document. Normally, we use the compress picture option here. We select one picture and go to this compress picture option. But when we apply this, so we'll try to apply to all pictures by removing this tick. So we select email 96 ppi because this picture is anyway less low resolution image. So so this one I click on OK and try to save the file. So you see the file size anyway, this 316 kilobyte. So anyway, this is a small file, but sometimes there may be few megabyte size file. So what we should do to further reduce this document size is the the pictures. We should change the picture format. So I have copied these pictures from internet, so they are all actually png images. So if we have png images in a word document, that won't reduce the file picture sizes. So to make it work, what we should do is we should select each picture like this and select save as. Here we should select jpg extension and put a name. Say I will put picture 1. Okay, picture 1 I put. So I save it. Then what we should do is we should replace this picture, change picture. If I click on the picture, change picture, and so we select this picture. Now it is jpg, so we took it here, right? So anyway, it's a background removed a picture. So that's why it shows the background. Don't worry about that. So we can correct it even. So we'll correct it anyway. Set transparent color, this color. Okay, now it is corrected. So now we'll see reducing file picture size. So we try this. We go to compress picture and select this option, email 996 ppi, then click. Okay, now it is reduced. We'll see what is the size now. Now you see that it is 173. It was previously 316 kilobyte. So this way you can reduce the file sizes of inside Microsoft Word document. Hope that will help you for your further work. Thank you.